What is up, world? We are making some lumpia today. We'll kind of show you just what it's made of and the final result. So let's get into it. Step number 1, chop up some vegetables. All's in here?
Carrots, egg, and potato, onion.
So we got carrots, potato, onion, and egg. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Number 2, time to mix. So you're mixing the pork in there now?
Mm-hmm.
So that was the vegetable mix that you had, and now you're mixing ground pork in there?
Yeah. I put salt, pepper, but we don't have pepper, so I put some seasoning on.
And what are we making?
Lumpia.
Lumpia?
Mm-hmm. It's lumpia though.
Let's jump to step number 3. All right, so what are we doing here on this step?
I peeled this one.
What's that, like spring roll? You said what do they call it?
Oh, we call here in the Philippines lumpia wrapper.
Okay. So after we peel that, what's the next step?
I'm gonna wrap
the mix of vegetables and meat?
Yeah, here.
All right, we're gonna watch that technique. So you're just gonna peel those.
Mm-hmm. Make sure you wash your hand.
Why'd you look at me when you said that?
I did not say anything.
You didn't have to. I saw the way you were looking at me.
No.
Don't worry. I'm not going to touch your lumpia rolls.
Yeah, you should wash your hand first.
Mm-hmm. I see how it's going. So we got to peel all those. Number 4. All right. So you got all those peeled. Now what are we doing?
I'm gonna wrap it now. So
we're dumping the mix in here, and then you're going to wrap it.
Mm-hmm.
Any special rules or technique?
Wash your hand first.
Anyway, I don't know why she keeps looking at me when she says that. So you kind of make a line there.
Yeah, it depends on how much you put here. It depends on you.
Do you want to be careful not to put too much or not enough?
It's okay to put too much.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Then
you roll it up.
Roll, 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 roll. Then
okay. You don't do anything to the end. You just roll it up, right?
But some people they put some oil or water just to
make it easier.
Yeah.
So you can roll it tighter, maybe. Okay. All right. Do another one there, so we can see the magic.
There's no magic.
What do you mean there's no magic?
Oh, magic?
Mm-hmm.
No magic.
Okay, so same thing. You kind of just make a line.
Mm-hmm. Ta-da! Then roll it. To make it easy, put some water and oil here to make it like it. Ta-da.
Perfect. 2. Here's all of them wrapped. How long did it take you to wrap all those?
15 minutes.
15 minutes? She's a master roller. Do you have like a street name?
Street name?
Yeah, master roller, right? Is that what they call you on the streets?
No.
They don't call you master roller?
No.
That's what, when you pick up your phone, you always say master roller here.
Huh?
Yeah, when you pick up the phone, I hear you.
Where did you get that?
Wait, you just got that was a joke?
No, I thought it's real. It's just a joke.
You just got that. That was a joke. You don't really think I...
No.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was not a joke.
So, earlier today, when she was chopping up everything, I heard somebody like faintly crying, and I went to investigate it. I thought maybe she was watching some Korean dramas. Sometimes you can catch her, hiding somewhere in the apartment crying to Korean dramas. But she's actually just chopping up onions. So, what are you doing there?
This.
Breaking the oil?
It's hard to break it.
Oh, I think you already broke it.
Can you?
Here. All right, so is there any special technique to cooking these?
Make it heat first.
Oh, there has to be fire?
Oh, yeah.
So step one is to have fire to cook?
Fire.
For all our people at home, you have to have actually fire to cook.
That's true.
No, I was meaning, like, is there any way to, like, cook them, make sure you cook them even, or you just kind of throw them in there and keep spinning them?
Oh, just throw it.
Let's see here.
Just put it like this.
Okay. You have to worry about it flipping or anything?
Nah. It's flipping because my tongue is wet.
Why's your tongues wet?
Because I wash it.
Got wet tongues. What's so funny about that, huh? Alright. I think you might need the heat a little up higher. So what kind of sauce do you usually use with that?
Ketchup.
Anything else?
Sometimes they put like vinegar, so...
What about fish sauce?
Nah, I'm not good for fish sauce.
Okay, so ketchup and then vinegar, you said?
Yeah, vinegar with salt. It's
Okay.
really good.
Really, really good. Are you trying it?
Yeah.
Oh, does the chef get to try first?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay. Hot? Chef burned herself? Tastes good? Looking good. So you cooked about half of those that you rolled?
I got it. And eating time.
All right.
With rice. You want
With rice? Wait, there's going to be rice?
Yeah.
So it's eating time. So this is a ketchup and vinegar sauce? So, lumpia. Really good. The texture is really good. It's very crisp. The pork, the carrots, the onion, everything kind of comes together in a really good mix. Definitely recommend it with the sauce. Regular ketchup would be fine. Mixing the kind of the vinegar with it gives it a little bit more of a tart kind of taste, which kind of brings out some of the flavors. I highly recommend it. Definitely takes a little bit of work to make, especially chopping everything up and wrapping it up, but the end result is definitely worth all the work. So you can kind of see it kind of crisps on the outside. Kind of crisps on the outside, and then the inside kind of has this really warm pork, you know, vegetable, egg-like flavor. It's really, really delicious. Like a true West Virginian, I have my Mountain Dew. Gotta have your dooski. Where's your dooski?
I don't know.
You don't have a Mountain Dew?
Water only.
She's not going to enjoy this meal as much as I am. It's a fact. Alright, well, I really appreciate everybody watching. Me and my fiance had a wonderful time making this video, trying to keep busy during the lockdown. I hope everyone's being safe out there, they're being smart out there. Let's all get through this in one piece. I hope to see you guys when we all get out. So I got nothing but love. Peace.